We're going to review seminar 1, where we talk about a cash card example, and a cash card has a member cash card subclass. Cash card has several attributes as can be shown in this, what we call the uh, class card. It has an ID and a value, which is the amount of money available in a cash card. Then you can use it by deducting the value from the cash card, or you can top it up. And the rest are just accessor to get the value as well as the set value as well as to string to print the information about cash card. Then we look at the subclass. The subclass member cash card will have itself two private instance variable, organization and points. The points being the royalty points. So when the member cash card uh, spend the money, the points will be also added. And because of that, you can perform redeem points as a staff or as a non-staff. There are two methods. Also, you can top up the cash card, but in this case, if you are a staff, when you top up, you will also get royalty points. So there are some similarity and some difference between the classes. And the subclass make use of some of the methods as well as the instant variable from the superclass. But we have to look into the details about how this is done, and with very uh, must deal with it carefully. Here is the situation where we have a cash card here, the ID value and the methods. Member cash card has this as well as the method here. Note that in fact the ID and the value of the cash card is inherited privately to the member cash card. So in fact, member cash card has 4 instant variable. Uh, you can assign value to organization, but when you want to assign value to ID and value, because it's private, you need to use the assessor to set the, the superclass ID and value. But nonetheless, these instant variables are available for member cash card. Next, we look at the relationship between the two deduct methods. Again, it has the same name and also actually the same signature because with one argument and is inherited. But somehow, as we know, the behavior of deduct in the subclass is different. As we said, it will also add the royalty points here. So it is overriding by refinement. You will deduct the value, but at the same time add to the royalty points. So that's what we call the overriding by refinement. Next, you look at top up, and in this case, there's no corresponding top up method here, but nonetheless, this is inherited publicly. So if you call top up as a subclass, you will actually call the superclass top up. This is inherited. Because it's public, you can directly call it from the subclass without any problem. But now you notice that in fact there's another top up here. This top up has the same name, but has different argument structures than the superclass. It has e-staff and amount. So this is a case of overloading between classes because uh, the signature is different. Okay, and this overriding overloading method is only available in the subclass. So then we have the situation of low overloading in the same class. There are two top up here with the different signature, and we also have two redeem points in the same classes. I hope this explains the meaning of overriding by refinement and overloading for you using our cash card example from seminar 1.